Okay, here's my shop fan. It's an old furnace fan. And I got some parts from my old fan that I got out of the trash. So the fan I got out of the trash had these shrouds. So I got two of them. It came with a 3-position switch. Low, medium, high. So I wired that all in. You can see, I'll show you here on the top. I just wired it into the low, medium low, and high. Now if I wanted the medium high, I could switch, just pull that out and switch it. But I just leave it there, it's fun. But that fan in the trash had this in it too, as you can see. And it'll turn on there any which way I want. And it'll tilt like that on those. You can see over here, I cut the fan out right here to make room for the bracket and the wiring. So it's all protected. Can't get your hands in there. I put some screen over the front. That's an old paint stick. You can get your hand underneath there, but not really in there. So that's that. There's the angle iron I made. Pretty strong, for sure down. Nothing is gonna pull it down. A little bit of side to side movement, but I'm not worried about it falling. And then there's the hardware I used. 3.5-inch lags going into the stud on that angle. 5/16 nuts and bolts holding the angle together. And then these little self tappers, that's what's holding on the bracket, the cage, and the front. So a little bit of danger right here because these are sticking out. Maybe should cut those off, but other than that, if you grab it here, you can turn it any which way. And then I've got it wired into a surge protector just to be safe. So that's on. So you just pull this. Right there's low. You can hear it start up. Kick some air. It's pretty unreal. And as you see, I can just turn it and move it. There you can see it kind of blowing. So now I'll go to the next step. Blowing a little bit more. You see it blowing that pillow. Now here comes high. It's going to blow everything off there. It's pretty unreal. It'll kick some air. And then last pull, you're back to off. So there is my old furnace fan converted into a garage fan.